No, 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 no. No, woman, no cry. No, woman, no cry. No, 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 no.
Yeah, she ready for the camera. Yeah, she been hiding for a long time, but we got her here so now in all her glory now. Yeah, and she's looking so beautiful in her attire.
Greetings and hail up to all the ones, them all Rastafari. You know that in this struggle and still doing your thing, keep firm, keep going on. No, it's enough work we gotta do. If we get serious, if we get together and if we push things. People talk a long time about, oh, talk time done. This is mobilization. This is time to get together and we really make a difference. It's so much things going on. Look, even here in Bartown, this thing with the Queen Jubilee that happening. Part she is, she's sending people. No, here belong to her. Why? These people gotta be taking taxpayers' money, right? Remember why? These people gotta be taking taxpayers' money to repair roads for a queen. She's not even coming. I mean, we can already see things about these things. You know what I mean?
Things are already things.
Exactly. They got a committee that established here, all the ones on the Justice Committee doing things, you know, for the rights of people and checking for human rights. We really need to like get together with those people. Why not hold a protest? Go down there, go down Kensington, and let them know that this is utter foolishness. We gotta stop talking.
And when they come, they ain't bringing nothing to, they ain't even bringing nothing to contribute to the island.
She should be sending the money to repair this and that. I got a Karen every minute saying around with the tire, the potholes. You know what I mean? You can't fix it.
Even if she come a Hollowell, she get this money here to build something for the youth.
Exactly. She does nothing but sits up there and we talk about we independent. We're independent. What is independence?
Yeah, we dependent. We are dependent on them.
That's right. I agree. A lot of times you always hear it from the man, but it's good time that long time you should be hearing from the sister too, right? Cause them is the ones that feel it when the economy, as the economy gets worse, the most people to be affected by it is the elderly, the children, and the women. So it's about time that the women step up and speak about it because it's going to affect them drastically in the next couple of months coming, right? And here it is that these people don't say that they ain't got no money, they can't repair the schools is in bad shape. They can't give the schools no money. But a woman coming here or her family coming here for 2 days and you could find almost $1 million to give to her. Something got to be wrong with that psychology. What does she come in here? What does that have to do with the average person?
What is going to help?
How it's going to help the average person when she come that got to struggle every day? When she leave, that same person gonna be struggling the same way. So I don't understand the fact that you're gonna take $1 million to give to somebody and they really don't care nothing about us. They're telling you straight up, they know England don't care nothing about us. So we could act like we want to laugh and joke and the Queen coming and all this, but we see by the fact what they're doing with air travel, the taxes that they put on air travel for English people to stop them from coming to the Caribbean, and you gonna still say that you gonna welcome these people? I don't care how they shit on us, you gonna still talk about that we should honor her. We don't honor them. We don't care nothing about them because they don't care nothing about us. You understand what I'm saying? And then you taking our money, our hard-earned money that we say that you should be putting into schools, you should be putting into programs for the youths that's out here, that's on blocks that don't have nothing to do. You could be putting that money into that, and you putting money into paving up a road and all this nonsense for some white people coming here. You got to go to your head. You got to be crazy. Oh, listen, all y'all need to be down in Black Rock. Every last one need psychiatric evaluation.
Their mental faculties are not functioning in the right direction.
For sure. You understand what I mean? So listen, people in Barbados, whether you want to call yourself Bajan people or whatever it is, stop letting these people trick you. Stop letting these people smile with you and act like they love you and act like they're for you. Because at the end of the day, BLP and BLP is one party. And they don't care nothing about poor people. Since 1966, we've been independent, and BLP and DLP been ruling since 1966, and poor people, the lot of the poor people remain the same since 1966.
You know why it's so? Because if you check the word independence, independence means being dependent in and on. Independence is no sort of freedom. Check all the Caribbean countries that is on a yearly basis celebrate independence. What independence? The word independence don't make no sense to me, really and truly. Cause
that's so much foreign imports.
Alright, then you in the pain, according to my brethren, and they are dancing. You know what I mean? What you really doing? They give you independence. What else can give you?
How comes you have land to produce all the vegetables, the fruits that you just import, and you still importing? Which kind of your foreign exchange? You putting out a lot of your foreign exchange in importation.
Exactly.
And you say when you run a country, you gotta gather people together, and you gotta get the youths together, get men like us to get the youths together. Let me go, give us piece of land. What do Rastas need, right? We want to show us independent. Give us piece of land. Let me take it and cultivate it, and create different things that it could be an attraction, that some place, an activity, a weekend you can come and enjoy entertainment. We got enough things, but we telling what we think. Give it the land and we can make things happen. That's what we want. We want all this long talk. We're not gonna take 800 and get to the Queen. Give me a piece of land. We Rastas, give me a piece of that money. The RFU, the Rastafari Financial Union, we need money too. Give me some money. Let me put this up for Rastas. So we gonna run about banking.
Not only for Rasta, but it's gonna benefit all black people in Barbados.
Black people.
Right.
Yes. We can plant, we own carrots, we own beans, we everything. We don't. You talking about? You should be able to. You should be right now. You should be cutting down for you foreign, you imports. You should be getting mobilizing the youths. You might not be able to do it, but we might be able to do it for you and get these youths here. So put the hand in some dirt, like how we take. Cause right now, they want to put the hand in dirt, so they're gonna put the hand all in somebody's house. Just like the other day, right now, I have to address something that's serious. Someone went and tried breaking in the RFU's secretary, the secretary of the RFU. And right now, I'm mad at that. I'm vexed. I'm totally upset about that. That is total disrespect to Rastafari. You got the daughter shaken. We have to keep in contact with her all the time to make sure that everything is alright. Anyone violate, we give me chance of ISIS, but when you know, the things that we gonna burn fire for when I just know. All the people that breaking in people before people's houses, we burning fire. I bungalite, Nabingi, a horse, we burning fire for when I just know. I tell the police, I give them the order, man. When I catch them breaking in poor people's house, shoot them, ISIS, so I give you the order. They have the right breaking in poor people's house. When they come, but we're breaking, but I want to go and work. They don't come, I'm gonna go put people in fear. That the children frightened. Excuse me. Got people can't even sleep comfortable, or jittery and all sorts of things. And when about this sort of when it's good people.
Them is bad boys. Them is bad boys.
Bad boys.
Yeah.
When bad, go and rob the people that got the money. You come like and pay fear in poor people. We don't want to be bad boys. Because they know when they go up there, they say 2 tools, they're shooting the car. They got legal guns. Blam and shoot and they can get there for them. But we don't want to come and be. I want to break it with people's house and
feel they gonna get away with it.
Yeah, I feel they can get away with it. But judgment ever sure. You know what I mean? So when the police shoot, I ain't got a problem with that police. I ain't got a problem with that. No, this country, Barbados, is a place that we should be able to open our doors. That's right. And go down the road and come back and find everything intact. You ain't shutting your house, then you go up at night, you can't even hold it, open the window because some man wants to sneak in and want to rape you. You have to know that you're in there by yourself, as a woman. We gotta protect our women, our wives, our daughters.
For sure.
And our sons too, because they got perverts out there that will hold up on little boys. Even recently they had a man don't you a trap interfering with little boys. Them men that you should lock away from for years. You get a ganja man 10 or 15 years. That man should be locked away for 20 years for interfering with a boy. When a man go interfere with a boy, he should be locked away for 20 years. With 2 years and 3 years, where you gain? Then a justice. And you want to lock up a man for ganja for 10 or 15 years? Well, we need the ganja to keep an eye voice, Irie. You should be lucky that ganja here. Because if ganja number we a lot of these men head will be tear. They will do beer English in Barbados. You know this herb that keep Barbados mental faculty, the men with mental faculties intact, and keep them in focus. So you should give thanks and praise for the ganja. Don't fight against it. Bless her.
Haile Selassie the first.
No, 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 no. No, woman, no cry. No, woman, no cry.